Good morning, students. Today we will learn present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Okay. First, let us learn about present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to express an action that is going on or is in progress at the present time. The form of present continuous tense is subject plus is, am, are plus ing form of the verb plus object. We use is with he, she, it and singular noun, and are we use with we, you, they and plural nouns. Okay. Am we use with only I. In all continuous tenses, we use ing form of the verb. Okay. Here also, after is, am, are, we use ing form of the verb. Let us take one example. He is writing a letter. Here, subject is he. Then auxiliary verb. Is the auxiliary verb. After that ing form of the verb. Writing. Then object. A letter. Okay. This is affirmative sentence. Means positive sentence. What is the meaning of this sentence? This sentence meaning is now the action is going on. What action is going on? Here, the writing action is going on. Okay. He has started, but it is continuing till now. Okay. Not completed. So, we can say it is present continuous tense. Now, let us change this sentence into negative. He is writing a letter. To change one sentence into negative, we must use not to the auxiliary verb. Here is the auxiliary verb. So, we can change this sentence like he is not writing a letter. Okay, then full stop. Now, let us change this sentence into interrogative, means question. How? For that, we have to take auxiliary verb in front of the subject. Here subject is he and auxiliary verb is. Then we have to take the auxiliary verb in front of he. Then is he writing a letter? Last question mark. Okay. Now it is yes or no question. Okay. If we have to add what, then how will it change? Only you have to write what in front of the auxiliary verb. Then what is he writing? Okay, then question mark. A letter is the answer. Okay, like we can change one positive sentence into negative, then interrogative. Okay. Next, let us learn about past continuous tense. Okay. Past continuous tense we use to express an action that was going on or continuing at some point of time in the past. Okay. Present continuous means that is going on at the present time. Okay, and past continuous means it was going on at some point of time in the past. Okay, the form of past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb plus object. Okay, we use was with he, she, it, singular noun and I. Okay. and were we use with we, you, they and plural nouns. Okay. Plural means more than one. Singular means only one. Okay. Now let us take the same example. He is writing a letter. The tense of this sentence is present continuous tense. Let us change this one into past. Then subject is he. Then was or were. Here he is singular, so we can use was. He was, then ing form of the verb, writing. Okay, he was writing a letter, object. Okay, now it is in past continuous tense. Okay, that means he was writing a letter in the past, not at the present time. Okay, it may be yesterday or before that, in the past only. Now let us change this sentence into negative. Then what we have to use? Not with was or were. Here was is the auxiliary verb, so we have to add not with was. Okay, then he was not writing a letter. Okay, now let us convert this sentence into interrogative. Then we have to take auxiliary verb in front for making this one into a yes or no question. Then was he writing a letter? Question mark. Okay, if we have to convert this one into was sound question, then how will we write? What was he writing? Question mark. Okay. Next, let us learn about future continuous tense. We use future continuous tense to express an action that will be going on or continuing at some point of time in the future. Okay. The form of future continuous tense is subject plus will be or shall be plus ing form of the verb plus object. Okay. We can use will with all the persons. Means I, we, you, they, he, she, it, singular and plural. Okay. But shall we use with only I and we. Okay. Let us take one example. He will be writing a letter. Okay. What is the meaning? The meaning is he will be writing a letter. That means in the future he will be writing a letter. Not in the past or not at the present. It will happen or it will be continuing in the future. Okay. Will be is here and ing form of the verb is here. So we can say this is future continuous tense. Let us convert this one into negative. For that we have to add not. Okay. We have to add not to will only. Not will be. Okay. Let us write this. He will not be writing a letter. Okay. It is correct. He will be not writing a letter. It is not right. Okay. Now let us change this sentence into interrogative. Yes or no. Then will he be writing a letter? Question mark. Only you have to take in front of the subject the auxiliary verb will. Not take be. Okay. Now let us change this one into was sound question. Then we have to add what. Then how will we write? what will he be writing? Question mark. Okay, a letter is the answer here. Students, now let us fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the bracket in the present continuous tense. In the bracket verb is given, you have to change this one into present continuous tense. The question is, we dash or bust. In the bracket, do is there. Okay, you have to change this one into present continuous tense. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Do. Okay, so what we have to do first? We have to check what is the subject here. Subject is we. We is singular or plural? Plural. Okay, and what is the present continuous tense form? Subject plus is, am or are plus ing form of the verb plus object. Here we is the plural, so we can use are here. Okay, are. Then after that what we have to do? Ing form of the verb. Here do is the verb, add ing. Then doing. We are doing our best. Okay. Next, one more example. The porter dash the luggage. In bracket, carry is there. Then you have to check first the subject. What is the subject here? The porter. Porter is singular or plural? Singular. So we will write is. Okay. Then ing form of carry. The porter is carrying the luggage. Okay. Students, hope you all have understood continuous tenses. Let us end this section here. Thank you.